Accumulator as an auxiliary power source. One of the most common applications of accumulators is as an auxiliary power source. The purpose of the accumulator in this application is to store oil delivered by the pump during a portion of the work cycle. The accumulator then releases this stored oil on demand to complete the cycle, thereby serving as a secondary power source to assist the pump. In such a system where intermittent operations are performed, the use of an accumulator results in being able to use a smaller sized pump. This application is depicted in figure in which a four-way valve is used in conjunction with an accumulator. When the four-way valve is manually actuated, oil flows from the accumulator to the blank end of the cylinder. This extends the piston until it reaches the end of its stroke. While the desired operation is occurring, the cylinder is in the fully extended position. The accumulator is being charged by the pump. The four-way valve is then deactivated for the retraction of the cylinder. Oil flows from the pump and accumulator to retract the cylinder rapidly. The accumulator size is selected to supply adequate oil during the retraction stroke. Accumulator has a leakage compensator. A second application for accumulators is as a compensator for internal or external leakage during an extended period of time during which the system is pressurized but not in operation. As shown in figure for this application, the pump charges the accumulator and system until the maximum pressure setting on the pressure switch is obtained. The contacts on the pressure switch then open to automatically stop the electric motor that drives the pump. The accumulator then supplies leakage oil to the system during a long period. Finally, when system pressure drops to the minimum pressure setting of the pressure switch, it closes the electrical circuit of the pump motor until the leakage has been recharged. The use of an accumulator as a leakage compensator saves electrical power and reduces heat in the circuit. Accumulator has an emergency power source. In some hydraulic systems, safety dictates that a cylinder be retracted even though the normal supply of oil pressure is lost due to a pump or electrical power failure. Such an application requires the use of an accumulator as an emergency power source as depicted in figure. In this circuit, a solenoid actuated three-way valve is used in conjunction with the accumulator. When the three-way valve is energized, oil flows to the blank end of the cylinder and also through the check valve into the accumulator and rod end of the cylinder. The accumulator charges as the cylinder extends. If the pump fails due to an electrical failure, the solenoid will de-energize, shifting the valve to its spring offset mode. Then the oil stored under pressure is forced from the accumulator to the rod end of the cylinder. Accumulator has a hydraulic shock absorber. One of the most important industrial applications of accumulators is the elimination or reduction of high pressure pulsations or hydraulic shock. Hydraulic shock or water hammer, as it is frequently called, is caused by the sudden stoppage or deceleration of hydraulic fluid flowing at relatively high velocity in a pipeline. One example where this occurs is in the case of a rapidly closing valve. This creates a compression wave where the rapidly closing valve is located. This compression wave travels at the speed of sound upstream to the end of the pipe and back again to the closed valve, causing an increase in the line pressure. This wave travels back and forth along the entire pipe length until its energy is finally dissipated by friction. The resulting rapid pressure pulsations or high pressure surges may cause damage to the hydraulic system components. If an accumulator is installed near the rapidly closing valve, as shown in figure, the pressure pulsations or high pressure surges